The only airport in Portsudan has been hit by a series of drone strikes, the first such attack on the city since Sudan's civil war began just over 2 years ago. There were massive explosions after the attack, which the Sudanese army is blaming on the RSF paramilitary group. The strikes hit an ammunition depot at an airbase. The army says anti-aircraft weapons were able to shoot down a number of drones. Let's go to Portsudan and speak to Momin Al-Makian. Momin, how serious is this attack, especially since it's the first time the airport here has been struck?
Yes, today's attack was really serious. Here where I am in the airport neighborhood, one of the closest neighborhoods to the airport, loud explosions were heard today, along with massive columns of smoke due to this drone attack by the RSF. RSF has attacked Portsudan, which is Portsudan airport, which is a civilian airport, along with Osman Digna airport, which is a military airport belonging to the Sudanese army today, with 5 sophisticated and suicide drones. Some of these drones were shot down by the Sudanese army. However, the others were able to destroy a warehouse here in Portsudan airport. Loud explosions were heard, along with columns of smoke. Also, the flight operations in Portsudan has stopped. Worth mentioning that Portsudan airport is the only international airport Sudan have right now. A plane which was coming from UAE today's morning was forced to land in Digna due to the stop of the flight operation in Sudan.
Momin, what does this mean for the ongoing civil war now? Because Sudan's army has taken back large parts of the capital, Khartoum, from the RSF. But of course, the fighting is continuing. What response could we see from the Sudanese army?
Yes, this is a very dangerous indication, because it's the first time for RSF drones to reach the administrative capital here in Portsudan. Maybe in the upcoming weeks and months, we will see a lot of drones attacks here in the city, maybe targeting General Burhan residents or other members in the Sudanese army here in Portsudan. It is the first time to the RSF drones to reach the city. It was able an year ago to reach Jebel, 120 kilometers, but it's a really dangerous indication here. For the Sudanese army issued a statement saying that the air forces were able to shoot down a number of drones, and he said that the losses were limited. Only an ammunition warehouse was destroyed. However, maybe according to experts, these attacks will continue as they continued in Marawi. In Kassala today also we have witnessed an RSF attack by drones in Kassala airport too.
Thank you very much for bringing us that update. Momin Al-Maki there in Portsudan. At least 7 people have been killed and 20 injured in South Sudan's Old Fan